Hello everyone, Matthew here once again, and welcome to Online Money Tactics. Typing is something we do on a daily basis, whether on your phone, on your laptops, or probably on your tablets. So I'm going to be showing you 4 websites that will pay you for typing. That's what I'm going to be doing on this video today. So it's important to stick with me on this video because I'm going to be showing you my favorite websites at some point. It could be the first website I'm going to be showing you. It could be the last website. So just stay with me on this video because I'm also going to be giving you pro tips, and I'm also going to be showing you step by step on how to create your account so that you can start earning just by typing. So with that being said, welcome to Online Money Tactics, and on this channel I talk about making money online legitimately. I give tips, strategies, and tactics on how to make money online. So if today is the first day of you coming across my channel, I'd really love you to join our family by subscribing to this channel right now and turning on the notification bell so that whenever I post awesome videos or better videos than this one, YouTube is going to notify you. And leave a like on this video if at the end of this video or during this video you gain value, and also leave a comment in the comment section below because I really love to hear what you have to say. And share this video with your friends because I want them to win as well. You're winning. That is why I'm doing this. I'm taking out time to make this video for all of us to make money online. So with that being said, let's go right into it. So the first website I want to show you that will pay you for typing is CaptureTypes.com. So this is a website that basically pay you for typing Captcha. And probably you don't know what Captcha is. A Captcha is basically a word you type whenever you're registering on most websites to confirm that you're not a robot. But these websites right here will pay you for typing them. So if you look on here where my mouse is, you see something like this. This is how a captcha looks like, and I'm sure most of you have come across it or you type captchas every day, every now and then when you're trying to register on a particular website. So this website is going to be paying you for doing that. They just give you a website to type, and when you do, you get paid. And you don't need any typing certificate or have typing skill or go for a course or anything as such to start working as start typing Captcha on this website. So what you want to do is you want to first of all sign up. Click on the register button on here, and it's going to take you to a page like this, and you want to fill your name, probably your email, your username, your password. Retype your password, click I am not a robot, and create your account. And I want to stress here on here it says registration is completely free, and the work and app provided are totally free. So guys, you don't need to spend a dime on here or invest any money on this website. All you just have to do is come on here, set up an account for free, and start typing. And the second part of this sentence says you are paid if you work. Please don't pay anyone to work in our website. So you're the one who is going to be typing this captcha. You don't need to go and get a board or anything to type on this website for you. So set up an account and start typing already. Now the second website I want to show you, which is one of my favorite, is called Captcha.com, and I love this website because it pays more than the first one I just showed you. As you can see, they'll pay you from 0.50 cents, let's just say 50 cents for 1,000 solved captchas that you type. So 1,000 captchas is going to pay you 50 cents. I know it's a little money. That's the only downside of typing Captcha, but at least you can use it to come out for money, probably for subscription or food or little things or basic needs of life. And if you combine these websites, I'm going to be showing, like I said, I'm going to be showing you 4 websites. If you combine all of them, I'm sure you're going to be making at least something tangible for you to do something out there for yourself. So another thing I like about this particular website is that they have instant payment. So after you earn your money or you earn any money, you don't have to wait for days or weeks before you get paid. Your payment is instant. So you can come on here and create an account as well. As you can see here, if you're typing normal captchas, you're getting about 30 cents per 1,000. If you're typing normal captchas, you're getting probably $1 per 1,000, and so on and so forth. So if you come on here, you check out the companies they are working in partner with as well. So first of all, like on the first side, you want to click on sign up, and you want to sign up for an account. Put in your email, password, you type a password, click here and click continue, and they're going to put you through a short test. And once you pass the test, definitely you're going to pass the test, because the test is just majorly you typing different types of captcha. So that is the second website. The third website is this one that says ProTypePass.com, and I love this website. This is my best out of the 3 websites I've mentioned so far. This is the best because one, they pay more. These websites pay more. As you can see here, it says how much you earn depends on the amount of work that you do. Our top earners earn between $100 to $250 each month. Our payment rate starts from 45 cents for 1,000 words image typed, and can go as high as up to $1.50 for each 1,000 words typed. So that is one of the reasons why I love this website, because they pay higher. And second reason why I love this website is that they have variety of payout options. They have debit card, bank checks, PayPal, Perfect Money, Payza, Western Union, and they also pay with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as well. And it says here, ProTypePass, typing online. These jobs I'm talking about is suitable for mothers that stay at home, parents that need a second job. Probably you're watching this video, students that needs a side hustle, people in between jobs. You can just do this at your leisure time. Just come on this website, create an account, and type captchas at your leisure time. Me, sometimes I do this for free, for fun, just to earn money, because it's like putting an exercise to your brain, or exercising your brain, typing captchas. So that's it on this website. You just come on here and you click on free sign up, and you want to sign up for an account. And I don't know, I forgot to mention, these websites are available worldwide. It's not restricted to any country, and you can do this on your phone, on your laptop, and on your tablet. So you come on here, put in your email, password, name, put in your payment option. Like I said, they pay with cryptocurrency. You can see here Bitcoin, Litecoin, whichever one you want to use. Now the last website we'll be talking about here on this video today is called HireSign.com. I've talked about this website on my previous video. That video will be showing at the top right hand side of your screen. You can go check it out. So this is another website that have a feature where you can type, make money by typing. As you can see, there are lots of tasks on here you can do. They have typing jobs that pays you between $4 and $6 per page, and that page will contain 2,000 words. They have proofreading, $5 to $10 per page. Proofreading, paid surveys. If you're good with graphic design, good PowerPoint presentations, people want other people to help them with PowerPoint presentation, spreadsheet entry job to enter data on spreadsheet, voice recognition, lots of stuff you can do on here. But for you to type on this website, to take up a typing job, you need to have typing speed and typing proficiency. But this website is going to pay you far better than those other 3 that I've shown you already. So you can come on this website as well and sign up. And once you sign up, they're going to review your information you submitted to them, and they're going to get back to you and give you the job to start typing or proofreading, or whichever one you want to do on this website. So that's it on this video, guys, and I'd really love you to like this video if you gain any value from this video, and subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that when I post better videos than this one, YouTube is going to notify you. And share this video with your friends as well, because I want everybody to win. Leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll be there to read them. So from Awesome Ways to Make Money Online, there will be 2 videos popping up on your screen right now. Go check any of them out, or both of them, or all of them. And as well, if you come on here on my channel, you're going to see lots of videos on here you can leverage on. You can check them out. I'm sure if you watch this video and put it to work in practice, you're going to make money online. So till I see you in my next video, keep grinding, stay positive, and always remember that Matthew loves you.